Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to show you the absolute easiest way to build a winning e-commerce store. This is really cool, and this is the new way to do eCom, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it the right way as well, because this video is all about introducing EverB Store, the world's first AI-powered creator commerce platform. We're going to go over the shoulder. I'm going to show you every single feature and really why you need to be paying attention and why you need to be using EverB Store. And if you've been watching my YouTube videos, you've seen some of the other videos I've done on EverB. Great tools for research and things like that. Now the store is out, and it's an incredible platform. You could literally go live in under 10 minutes with a conversion-optimized, AI-powered, SEO-optimized e-commerce storefront. It literally integrates with everything that you need. For example, print on demand, which of course we know is super powerful, literally under 10 minutes. No code required, AI power, doing everything. The newest and best way to build a winning e-commerce store, fully optimized for conversion, fully optimized for search engine optimization. It's the way to do it. And these are the key features I'm going to show you. Again, we'll go over the shoulder. You see the link directly below this video for EverB Store, and you're going to get that AI-powered store setup. Literally be able to launch your store in minutes with EverBee's super powerful AI. There's no code, there's no tech skills required, there's no prior experience. You don't need to be a Shopify expert or an eCom expert or an Amazon expert. Literally just get started with AI, and it builds a high converting store. And the best part is the AI learns and gets smarter over time. So it's going to start to understand your niche and your products, and more importantly, what your audience buys. And as it gets smarter, as it collects more data, as more people visit your store, the AI is going to learn with your brand, and it's going to literally make everything a lot easier because this AI is truly super powered. And like I said, it understands what your audience wants to buy. That's the key. And of course, we have an optimized checkout experience focused on high conversions, focused on looking really great and being mobile friendly on all phones, iPhone, iOS, Android, Play Store, etc. Fast loading, distraction free. The checkout is one of the best that I've seen. It's literally going to generate more sales for you than the competition in terms of their checkout. It's very, very optimized. It's perfect for conversion, and it really works perfectly for what we want to do here in terms of sending traffic to our store, getting them to convert, and getting that seamless checkout experience. So if you want to do all this, if you want to take advantage of this AI power to literally build the store for you, a winning store for you, you need to be using EverB Store. It's what I highly recommend. You're going to see it in action as we go over the shoulder. And again, you see the link directly below this video. All you need to do is click on that link and simply follow along as I go step by step over the shoulder right now. This is EverB Store, and you'll literally be able to create your store in minutes. It's the fastest, it's the smartest, it's the best way to sell online, and I'm going to show you exactly how this works. And you want to go from idea to income, couldn't be any easier. Perfect for print on demand. Of course, we love print on demand. By far the best business model online. It's going to have seamless print on demand integration with Printify, with Printful, and they're adding more as well. Easy to set up. AI-powered optimization. You're going to see those high conversion rates, those high sale rates. You're going to make more money with this platform than you would with any other. And you can check out some example stores on the EverB website, but we're going to walk through it all. You're going to see it all in action. One platform, all features with that AI-powered store setup. Couldn't be any easier. AI that learns and gets smarter over time, and that really optimized high-end checkout experience. Really kind of creates everything that you need for that winning store, and it's all done with AI. Forget about the old way. This is the new way to go live in under 10 minutes, to have everything conversion rate optimized, to have an AI-powered store that thinks, grows, and learns about your customers, and have seamless integrations and automations. It's the world's first AI-powered creator commerce platform, and there's over 900,000 creators and sellers on this platform just alone. And you see so much money it would cost to kind of do all this individually on your own store platform or other store platforms, in terms of kind of having AI and being able to sell unlimited listings and have email marketing and AI optimization and SEO and all that other great stuff. You're going to be able to get started literally just for $1 for the first 30 days, $29 a month afterwards for everything, not just the AI to build the store, but the entire store platform every single feature that we're talking about here. And again, all fully optimized for conversion, I should say. So that's the biggest thing, right? We love EverB Store. We use EverB Store because it just simply converts better than the competition. So all you need to do is click Start Now. You'll see just how powerful this AI is at building a high converting store. That's the power of EverB Store. So we'll come over here and click Start Now, and this is going to prompt us to go ahead and create our account. I'll go ahead and create one here. This is going to bring you over here to the little onboarding. This is going to be where we're going to be able to select AI to build our entire store, but you could also import from Etsy or migrate from Wix. We're going to come over here and select AI, of course, and click Get Started Now. And really all we need to do is basically tell EverB Store what we want the AI to create, right? And we could say we want to do something like print on demand, or we want to do digital prints, or we want to do jewelry, or maybe you have something like custom product. I want to sell custom artwork, or I want to sell funny socks, or I want to sell print on demand t-shirts, right? So you could say something like that. You could even be more specific, like for cat lovers, for example, right? So you could literally have something so specific out there. It's going to give you some kind of edited, but a little bit more thorough suggestions of what to ask the AI. This kind of is all about, giving better prompts. So in this case, I am excited to share my passion for cats by offering unique print-on-demand t-shirts that celebrate our feline friends for all the devoted cat lovers out there. You'll see that basically these statements here are goals that mention who and when or what we're going to be selling to. So print-on-demand t-shirts to cat lovers, right? So I really like that. We're going to go with that one and go ahead and load this up. And what's happening in the background is AI is doing all of the work here. Building the cart, building the storefront, connecting, payment integrations, setting up menus, setting up templating so we can customize everything. It's all being created immediately. And because we talked about who our niche is and who our customer is, all of the copy is going to be created as well. We see embrace your feline passion, celebrate your unique style with cat-themed apparel for devoted feline enthusiasts. And literally the entire store is being built. Right? We have some headlines here. Here's spots for where the products can go. We have a little bit of a branding section over here. We have an email marketing ability for them to sign up. Literally all this happened in the background, just a matter of seconds. See the menu up top. It's also going to look really, really good on mobile, so you know it's going to convert highly. And we also have that really high converting checkout experience. So couldn't be any easier over here. And remember, we're going to be able to change everything and anything that we want here once we load everything up. But right now, AI built this, built the copy, built the template out. We're going to go into the next step. And we can literally select entire website color palettes just with the click of a button. You see that the button text in this case, or button background is changing. We can go through all these different backgrounds, and you see this is a little lime green. We can go with a pink one. Here's like a little navy blue and gray, which looks pretty good. Here we go, a pink and blue one, which I think is pretty good for cats. Literally up to you in terms of how you want to set things up, and you could just change all this. Same thing with the fonts. You see different font pairings. Right now we have Plex Sans, Open Sans. You could change that. Maybe you want to do something like Inner, or maybe you want to kind of have a cooler font over here. You could do Marienda, nice little handwritten font, so that looks pretty cool. They also have Anton. We're going to go back to the IBM Plex Sans. I think that looks professional. You could also change your corner radius, and when you're happy with how this looks, and again, you could preview it how it's going to look on mobile as well, you could simply click Next. And this is going to be where we're able to actually sign up and get ready to go. You're going to be able to get any of these plans for just $1, and you see all the different features that are in here. The whole idea about unlimited products, marketing emails, contacts, SSL, landing page certificate, accepting online orders and manual orders, abandoned cart recovery, lots of great things here. They even have a countdown timer, custom domain, custom branding, dedicated account manager. Highly suggest you jump onto the advanced tier, especially if you want to build a big store. But either way, we're going to come over here and pick our plan. We can go over here and click Select Core, and then we'll go ahead and sign up. Once you do that, you'll be brought into your dashboard, and I'm going to show you everything that you need to know about right over here. You'll be able to get access to support. You can even book an onboarding call. Highly recommended. They have a great support team over there ready to support you. But what we have over here on our dashboard, we have a little bit of a setup guide, and I'll come back to that in a second. Once you have everything set up on your dashboard, you're going to see all of your core stats like total visitors, conversion rate, sales, revenue, average order value, unique page views, drop-off rate, and you could change the date range on here as well. Of course, we just opened up this store, so we don't have any information in here, but this will be your quick view analytics, and really, really powerful when it comes to our EverB Store dashboard. You might have multiple stores over here that you can manage up in this drop down, and of course, we're on the dashboard now. You'll have your orders and customers section, going to be all of your order information, your shipping information, and this would be your customer database over here, including, of course, the email of them, their orders, how much they've spent. You see all of the analytics right inside there. We've got our products that have products in here. Of course, we could add product. Products will also have collections, which would be basically categories, is kind of how you can categorize and arrange your store with EverBee. Different marketing options like email marketing, and this is massive, right? Email marketing fully built in over here. We could do different email series as well, right? We could do things like welcome series or automated recovery or order updates, and it's incredibly powerful because all this email marketing helps drive revenue, and it's all built in with EverB Store, literally the entire EverBee email platform right inside here. So that's just one of the marketing options. We could do discounts and create discount codes and promotions. We could do search engine optimization as well. So we could start to get those really, really important free organic traffic from the search engines. We've got our designer in here. This is going to be where we could actually build out our storefront. And you saw when we did the AI builder that they basically built this for us, right? We had this kind of setup over here, and we'll be able to customize this as we want inside of the design section. Over here are different apps, whole app market that we can go and get different integrations, for example, print on demand or subscriptions, and there's always new ones added here as well. We've got our brain section. This is kind of your AI partner, really, really powerful here. It's going to start to learn all about your business as it grows, especially as you start to send emails and collect payments. This is going to get smarter and smarter. Really exciting to see this kind of branch out and really become a huge, huge benefit for your store. You got all of your store settings in here, for example, your store name and your business information, your domain, payments and tax, right? We'll be able to integrate Stripe so we could have those low processing fees and instant payouts. And we have shipping information over here, all of our advanced settings like Metapixel. Of course, we're going to want to copy and paste in our Google Tag Pixel, our analytics, and our Facebook, Instagram Metapixel right up over here. We could even add custom scripts. Let's say you wanted to add a TikTok pixel. You could add that right inside there. But going back to the dashboard, really only a couple things that we need to do when it comes to setting things up. We have our 2 steps over here. We also have our designer. So we'll open up our designer, and this is going to be our point and click kind of change and custom, and what you see is what you get. You just kind of go through here and you customize different sections, and you see the AI, of course, built that text that we saw earlier, and you know, we can come over here and we can customize the text of anything. Maybe you don't want to say feline passion, you want to say kitty passion, right? You can go and put in whatever you want. You see it updates live in real time, and you simply just press publish to save it. We could even go ahead and take a look at the live site right over here. We can connect a domain you saw over there in the settings. You could add your own domain. But right now it's cattease.myeverbee.com. You see the exact store that we set up here, just waiting for product now. And we're going to do that over here. So you can customize this. You can customize all of the pages as well, the About Us, the Refund, all that stuff. You could customize the menu and the navigation and, of course, the colors. So customize all that to your liking. You could even change themes over here. But we're going to finish our setup guide here so we can get our store ready for customers. And number one, we're going to add our first product. And there's lots of different integrations that we can do. For example, print on demand. I'll cover that in another video. We're going to absolutely set up print on demand with EverB Store. It's super, super powerful to do that. Right now, just to get our setup finished, I'm going to go ahead and add in a sample product. Okay, so I've added the title, I've selected the category, put a little product description, put in my product image. By the way, you can do digital products with EverBee as well. We're going to go to the next step over here. This is going to be where we set our inventory, and if you have unlimited quantity, you could do no tracking, but we're going to come over here and put in 100 over here. We'll put in our price over here. We could put in our compare at price. We can put in our cost for tracking our profits and cost of goods sold. We'll go to the next section over here. We could add the ability for them to personalize, right? This is great for print on demand where you could add personalization options. Of course, with this mug, there's no personalization, but you can add that. You could add product tags. You could add product collections as well. If you set those up again under products and collections, those are different categories. You could even have a different product badge, for example, a discount badge. And you could even set the different colors over here. Really up to you in terms of how you want to do that. Once you're happy with how everything looks, you can even have the page title and meta description for search engine optimization purposes. Once we have all that set up, we're going to come over here and click Create Product. And of course, just like that, we're now ready to go. It's live in here. The last step, if you recall on the dashboard, was setting up our Stripe account. Really, really easy to do that. If you don't have a Stripe account, stripe.com, you can create a free account. We're going to come over here, click Stripe, and it's going to bring us to our payments and tax section in the settings, where we're just going to simply click Connect, and it's going to bring us over into Stripe to make the connection. And that's it. Now we're ready to go. We can further design our site and create different sections and customize the colors and things like that. But now that we've added a product and connected Stripe, our store is literally live and ready to go. We could look at the shop page over here, for example. Of course, we're going to have that caffeine mug, add to cart, ready to go. Checkout's all ready to go. Our shopping cart's ready to go. Everything just works here with the EverB Store. Totally powerful here and really, really easy to do everything. Highly recommended. So that was EverB Store, and as you saw, incredibly powerful, but obviously very, very easy to get started. And there's also all those integrations, right? Print on demand, for example. Stay tuned to my future videos. I'm going to create more, or it'll be right on my YouTube channel. You can see all about EverB. In the next video, I'll do print on demand, kind of show you all that. So if you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to drop a comment. I really kind of know EverB Store inside and out. I can help you out. I'll personally answer every single question myself. So I hope this helps you build that high converting store. And most importantly, I hope it helps you make a lot of money. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks a lot.